Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you my Blue Jays box for a boy 10 to 14. Baseball is a big part of my family. My dad coached a little league team, my mom was on a softball team, and now my twin girls play 3-pitch for their high school team. So we love especially the Toronto Blue Jays. We love watching all their games. We're very excited because Vladdy won the home run derby this year. Oftentimes when we're sitting around the dining table, we're talking about baseball, particularly the Blue Jays. So my daughters helped me a little bit with this box. So this is my favorite shoebox I'm sending off. And I think that's because it reflects me and my family so much. I didn't have this in the unboxing, but I'm going to be adding in a Sharpie for him to use on his baseballs or his glove if he wants to write his name. A lot of the Blue Jay players come from Central or South America, and I know I've had my shoeboxes go there before. So I think it would be neat if this went there, and you never know, it could give him a career in baseball, or at the very least, it could give him a love for baseball like we have. So if you are looking to build a baseball box for an older boy, I hope this inspires you a little bit, or at the very least, I hope you just enjoy this unboxing for a boy 10 to 14. My kids helped me make this collage of our favorite Blue Jays players, and we had to include Hazel May interviewing. She is just as much a part of the Blue Jays. There is Jordan Romano, Guerrero Jr., Bo Bichette, Kevin Kiermaier, Jose Barrios, and Matt Chapman on the poster. And if you want, you can try to guess our favorites. I love the sticker quote on the back, "Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game." My daughter gifted me a Jordan Romano Blue Jay hat for my birthday this year, so I guess that gives away my favorite. I put this collage in a protective cover and used poster putty to attach on the lid. He has a folder with baseball cards. There is one of Guerrero Jr. right there on the front. I wanted to give him a variety of poses from different players, especially the pitchers and catchers. I still have 3 cards to add in. I would love to know if you see one of your favorite players in here. I printed off some baseball info from Pinterest. At the bottom of his box, he has something else related to pitch grips that I think will help him. Some baseball stretches that he could do, notebook paper, and a family photo with our letter. I gave him a card game. I picked Uno because some of the Blue Jays players speak Spanish. And then I picked these flip-flops up a year ago at my local Pharmasave. They are MLB brand. They were normally $9.97, but I got them for $2 Canadian. And I did take those tags off, but these are very good quality. And then here is his glove. I didn't realize it until after I ordered it, but this looks just like Bo Bichette's glove, which is great because this box focuses a lot on Bo. So inside the glove, I gave him 2 of these baseball bracelets. I figured he could share one or he could keep both of them, but I got these in a bundle, so I have a lot of them off of that I got off of Amazon. And here is his glove. It is a 12.5 size, so this should fit him well into adulthood. And I hope it lasts him a long time and that he gets a lot of use out of it. And then for all of my older boys, I love to give them good quality school supplies and a math kit. So this is my favorite type of calculator from Staples. It is solar powered. And then my camera didn't do a good job of picking it up, but he has a math kit here with a compass and protractor and all the rulers. And then I added in 2 mending kits and a sharpener and some felt star stickers. Here is his furry soft friend. It's very realistic looking. The beak is pleather and the little feet are velvet, so it's got good sensory to it. And then I gave him 2 baseballs. This one has a picture of a baseball stadium, and these are both Rawlings brand. I got these at Dollarama. This is the only thing that doesn't go with his colors, but I really wanted him to have a softer baseball to practice with. So this is a Rawlings soft core baseball. And then he has 2 toothbrushes, and then a soap saver that he can attach to his wrist. Now, as far as I know, there's no Blue Jay soap, but I thought it was funny to add in the Dove soap. So there's 2 of those, and then I did double bag it when I repacked it. And then a hair pick. Now, these were technically free. He has a jersey in here, and we went to a Blue Jays game a couple months ago, me and my whole family, and they were giving these out for free to the first 15,000 players that were there. So if you know anything about Bo Bichette, he has signature headbands that he wears every single game. He's got different colored ones. And so this was one of the freebies that they gave us. Now this went to my 5-year-old daughter, and she did not care to keep this, nor would this fit her anytime soon. So I know she has no problem with me putting this in my shoebox. So I am wearing the same jersey. My daughters have the same one as well, but it's very lightweight. And I just hope he really enjoys it. I love the trimming on the sleeves. And on the back, it is a Bo jersey with his number on it. So I hope he loves that. And of course, the Blue Jay symbol. And then to go underneath that big jersey, I gave him 2 tanks. My mom found these at a yard sale, brand new in the packaging, 3 for $1, and they are Hanes brand. This is the first thing that I bought for this shoebox. I bought this a 1.5 years ago, and it's just a really cool notebook, lots of pages in it. And then of course there's Bo Bichette there and a lot of the other Blue Jays players. I just like the picture. And then his pencil pouch with all of his supplies. He's got red, black, and blue ink pens. I love the Papermate Inkjoy pens. They write so smoothly. And then I also gave him some sticky tack if he wanted to hang out some of his baseball cards or the poster that we made for him. And then he has a drawstring backpack, Juncture brand. And inside the backpack, I just put a pair of underwear in there for him. It is boys size 14-16. And then he has 3 sheets of these baseball stickers. He could share these with friends or his siblings. And then here is that pitch grip thing that I made for him. I got this off of WikiHow and I just printed it and laminated it. I thought he could put it in his pocket or his back pocket and take it out with him when he takes out his baseballs and glove, and he could practice these different pitches, maybe even with some of his friends. So, and because it's laminated, it should last him a long time. I also laminated a picture of Bo. Now, when I packed this box back up, I put this picture in with his replica jersey, and I wrapped his sweatband around this picture just to symbolize the look-alike with the jersey, sweatband, and of course his look-alike glove that he can see on the poster picture of Bo. So that is my Blue Jays box for this young man. I pray this gift is a help and blessing to him and his family, and I would love to get an email response from this shoebox.
Thank you all so much for your support. It means a lot to me. Take care.